Hey, hey, hey! It's me, Gabby. I am alone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bay Area Crypt. I know I keep saying that I'm gonna post spooky videos, and I am, but for the meantime, I posted this look right here. Hopefully you can see it, and my camera's not out of focus. I can't really tell, but here's hoping. I went ahead and made this turquoise look. Hi! Hey girl. I was just feeling blue. If you want to find out how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and just go ahead and apply that all over my face and on my forehead. Next, going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in the shade Ebony and my Anastasia Beverly Hills spoolie brush. It's the 7B one, and combing my brows out and putting that pomade on the bottom and shaping them. Not going to focus too much on this since it's not a brow tutorial, it's a makeup tutorial. Then going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and placing this underneath my eyes. Girl, bye. I really forgot to put concealer underneath my brows. My bad. The step I missed was just literally this, putting concealer above and below the brow to carve it out, make it look super nice. That was my bad. It literally 2 a.m. when I'm editing this. Anyways, go ahead and using your damp beauty blender sponge, just dab it all over. Dab. So that it just ends up nice and smoothless and seamless. Then going into the Becca Cosmetics palette, Take Me Back to Brazil. Just using this blue shade on there. Doesn't have a shade name, it's just this blue shade that I just showed you. Putting it on the lid and just packing it on so it's nice and even. Using a Sephora blending brush, just going ahead and blending that out so it's nice and seamless. Then going back into that same palette, choosing this lighter blue on the second row and placing it just right on top of where we placed that color, directly above. And this is going to tie into the next step where once again we will blend it out to make it look nice and even. Then going into the Bright Lights palette by Pinky Rose Cosmetics, using that shade Cloud and placing it just right above and kind of on the most lid space on those edges right there to tie this look together. And that is the final step. This finishes the look. No, I'm just kidding. What if I was serious though? Girl, bye. Then using a Sephora blending brush, I don't know which one, girl, a blending brush, just tie it all together, then go in, same palette, very first row, choose that teal color. It's gonna really darken the outer edges of the look and be like, ooh, who's that? It me. Then using concealer and a concealer brush, just same concealer as last time, going ahead and cutting the crease as best as I can. Then going into the Bright Lights palette once more, using the shade Glitz, placing it right on top of where we placed that concealer, and I'm patting it on in gentle patting motions. You're gonna want to pat it instead of just swishing it on there, because the more gentle you are, the more color payoff you'll get. Then using a fluffy blending brush, just tie everything in together. Going in with my Maybelline Flawless foundation. I don't know which one it is. It's like one of their main ones. And using that concealer after I blended everything out, beauty blender, to just brighten the face one more time. And then you want to just blend and go in with your Laura Mercier powder and just pat it on where you get the most oily spots, so your T-zone. For me, that's also under my eyes. And then going in with the Kat Von D Shade Light palette, using that to kind of contour my face, and my Too Faced bronzer, as well as my Urban Decay finishing powder brush. And I'm just contouring. As you can see here, I did the sides of my face, on my forehead, and my nose. But girl, that contour is way too rough, so I went ahead and used some of that finishing powder to soften that look. Went in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Captivating, placing it on the hollows of my cheeks and my smiling cheek. What's it called? I don't know. The apples of your cheeks. Go by. It's 2 a.m. Then I'm going in with Glitz again from the palette we just used. Oh my god, girl. My housemate is vacuuming right now. Why though? Now going into the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Winter Falls in LA and placing that on my upper cheekbones with the highlighting brush. Just go ahead and, oh, look at the highlight. Just did it all over my nose. And, ooh, girl. Then using a concealer brush. Well, it's like a flat brush. I used it for the concealer, and going in with that same Bright Lights palette in the shade Dazzle. It's this loose blue glitter, and I just decided, you know what, let's make it even spicier and put it all over the lid. Ooh, look at that. Yes! Then going in with my Maybelline, the Colossal mascara, just placing that all over both my lashes, as well as the same Colossal one, but this is in the cat eye one. And finally finishing the look with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Ooh, that feels so good. Or so you thought. JK, we have some more steps. Using the Blistex Lip Serum, putting it all over my lips and getting it primed and ready for the last and final step, which is using this NYX Macaron Lippie in this blue shade, and we're done.
Alrighty, you guys, and this is the final look, and it looks like this. I just went ahead and kind of matched it. I put on some turquoise kind of esque jewelry, I guess, and this is what it looks like. If you really like this makeup tutorial, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, YouTube revenue. I'm just kidding, but no, seriously, you're like, can I be a YouTuber? I am Gabby from Bay Area Crypt. Like I said, if you really like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on post notifications if you are following me. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.